Hello everyone. Today my second day. I introduce कि today what to do. I in my whole day and what I do and today I wake up in 6 in not in 8 a.m. I wake up and then I in first of all in my mind just thinking today in athletics competition and that is an athletic competition I prepare in myself and in that in preparing in my mind today I win because well in this college and this college and sport and culture any type of extracurricular activity and I only well done in very well done and good skill in athletics and then alok and then go in bathroom and just fresh and some after some time after some times after some time alok is came in my room and just say today you pronounce book and with you and with Odian in mess man I say why today athlete say no in yes Absik Kumar 18 Absik Kumar sorry sorry say Absik Kumar 18 in Korean subject just say no then ready and go far and they say when I we and you when but when in this in mess and then thinking then both are in this I take in high quantity of puri and sabji and then but both are but both are in thinking कि today is athletic event and if I eat in long then I not properly in running then I also eat in the very little and then go for in camp and some rest and scroll in Instagram and scroll in Instagram and then Agile called me कि event start why you are not coming that time event already start then I call in the Shivani where are you where Shivani say कि I live in you I say कि I came in and just call me Alok and then Alok and me in the came in I go for I went to go in Alok room and just and put on the shoes because in my shoes is washed and destroyed so I is thinking if I put in my shoes then if I running then maybe facing problem so I put in Alok shoes is very unique that reason I got in the first position in the 400 meter and then and all over things and realize why first of all you do not properly in my mind that reason why no then go and is that ready for participate in 1 minute and 20 seconds in a class in 400 meter and I am very good at athletics in this part and not only this not only this and that participate and then every and all and some in the short put and javelin throw and all the event you hold and even then and the last in the and mixed relay started in the some argue me and Abhishek Rajput and first year just argue first year say sir sorry you not sorry if you do not participate in this event then I win in this because in only 12 student not win any event, if in 12 student win in any event, then in all the student mark in the 20 in the 4 5 and the 50 marks. If all the people in the 50 mark, then these people are deserving in a higher level, and that type of this I think is okay. But I participate. I just decide I participate in this event. Why? Because I preparing in before in 5 and 6 days ago. I participate in this event teams. In that region, I participate and improve, enhance my communication, enhance my ability कि I can do this, this, and that after all the competition is it then decide to go for and just camp and eat the food, and to food is a very favorite for me, because it's a mix of subject. Mix of sabji is my favorite subject, and in mix of sabji inside, in I ate in the side bite in the sit in the pussy, but I not talk to anyone. I not talk to anyone in pussy. Why? Because in pussy means some misunderstanding. Pussy say कि this person is in the wrong, and I just say कि why the pussy did not talk to me in the during the in Mumbai. That some scenario, that some scenario, that region in some you call this of misunderstanding me and Kushi, and then go for and just go when I went to room. I went to room, and some in the sit in bed and scroll and Instagram, and then realize कि I today I in the whole day I not do anything. Then I started in the study. Then thinking कि what no one here, and not any student come in this. You are totally free. You are free. When we in the whole day, that time is free. You are talk to and communicate, enhance everything. It's okay. That time you free. No one coming this in and right now. And that time only to you enhance your you enhance your ability and everything. Don't worry. Don't thinking anything so good. And time is not over. You have only 2 minutes. And I started in the study, and which IS you are studying. This I started low discharge capacity and high discharge capacity. Low discharge capacity, what is the IS? I forget not. If you recall, low discharge IS and high step in the 12 460, and इससे in capacity dividing in 3 parts. FC2, that type of FC2, and that you forget everything. Why you are forget? Because you are not recalling everything. So if you not force in your mind, you not force in your mind. Because if you force and recall in everything in your mind, then in mind not properly work. If mind is not properly work, then you realize, like for example, if you not do the exam, then you not appearing in the RDID vice president anything. So you feel I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything because only one reason English speak. I cannot do anything. I am not written in English. I not speak in English. I not read in English. I not give presentation in English. That reason I not anything. You are only one person. Don't worry. Doesn't matter what to do and what happen in this college. Anything you know. You doesn't matter only speaking. And today, if you come in this gym, then thinking if any one person is a camp, and then laughing for me, this person in this senior and laughing, this senior and is improving communication in 3rd year, 4th year, 5 year senior. Why? Don't worry. No one thinking about you. No one you only you, only you, only you thinks in your life. Your things. If you not success, then right now Chandan is a very success. Rakesh is already day by day crash and day by day you not. If you not thinking, then you definitely not success. Promise for me every day. What in 11 to 12? Come in this gym and not any workout. Well, they use to in mobile phone and uploaded video for YouTube channel daily uploaded 30-minute video. You promise for me कि you uploaded 30-minute video for every day. Okay, बोलना.